Okay, so this is the car vac, and it's pretty cool. I've already did it on the front, and you get the little hand vac with the, and it's got a really long cord, which is awesome. So this would even be good if you had like a larger car. This is a little Corolla, but you plug this, you turn your car on, plug that into the lighter. It comes with the hand vac. And I like the accessories. It's got, this works really good on your seats because we have these cloth seats, so they tend to get my hair and things stuck to them, and this takes it right off. It's got the little adapter for the edges, and then it has this long one, and they're really cool how they attach in. It's got a rounded shape, just like that. And then I'll show you on the car seat. Gets really dirty. It's not extremely powerful, but it's very convenient. I'll have to get that with my hand. But for getting the little things, picks up really well. I always have huge hairballs. I have long hair. You can see it's getting the dirt for the most part out of those crevices. And then there's that attachment. Here's the other attachment, the longer tool. And then I'll show you the upholstery. You literally just go over your seats. And it gets everything off, because these seats kind of attract hair and fuzz. But you can tell I did the front seat, and it looks like new again. And then to clean it out, you just take this off, press this button, take this off, take that out, and dump it out. It's a very, very cool little tool to have handy, especially since it plugs into the lighter receptacle.